King Darius signed a new law. For 30 days, no one could pray to any god but him. Disobedience meant the lion's den. But Daniel kept his window open toward Jerusalem. 3 times a day, he knelt and prayed, just as he always had. His enemies saw him and reported it to the king. The law was clear, and the king had no choice but to obey it. Darius was distressed. He tried to save Daniel, but the law could not be changed. May your God, whom you serve continually, deliver you. Daniel was thrown into the den with the lions. The stone was sealed. At dawn, the king rushed to the den and called out, "Daniel, servant of the living God, has your God been able to deliver you?" Daniel answered, "O king, live forever. My God sent his angel and shut the lions' mouths. I am unharmed." Daniel was lifted out unharmed, and Darius made a new decree that all should honor the God of Daniel.